Hi, I'm Steve. I'm with I94RV, and this is a 2004 Starcraft 2106. Just a great condition, little lightweight pop-up we've got for sale. So it's got 3 beds in it, so it's technically a 6-sleeper. The tires were replaced in 2014, so this thing should be a great little camper for this summer. Let's take a look around it. It's not fully set up, so that's why these ends are a little loose, but anyway, the vinyl looks great. The exterior vinyl looks to be in great condition. It's just great that someone put newer tires on it, so you don't have to deal with that. The awning, this is the awning stored inside this bag. So it looks like it's ripped on the front. We didn't have the awning out, so the future owner can just be the one who checks that out. So it's got an LP tank. It's a manual crank style, so it's all real simple design. And again, it just looks to be in great shape. It looks like decals are peeling a little bit, but yeah, the vinyl, you know, not that I didn't see anywhere on it that it's torn or ripped, so that's really good. This RV has a refrigerator and a furnace. There's a water tank, and then this is where your 110 volt cord would be. So we have not checked any of that stuff out yet, but I'm sure it should be fine. The previous owner was camping in it last season. And so we'll leave it up to the future owner to check it out. But should be a great way to get a great price on one of these. All right, let's take a look inside. That's the crank handle for the stabilizer jacks. Got a step. So the interior looks really great. Got a queen, or it's like a full-size bed in the back. The dinette's probably a full size. And then this front bed, it looks like a queen or maybe just under a queen. This is all, you know, it's vinyl, and it's all canvas on the inside. So it looks like it could use a little bit of cleaning, or you could wash the drapes. But other than that, it looks good. So here's your converter box. That's where the breakers are. The furnace is here. Refrigerator's here. There's a range top. This all flips over when you fold it up. So looks like there's some good counter space. So just a great little pop-up. So I'm Steve. I'm with I94RV. So thanks for watching.